Hello students, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming back with another problem in 1D motion. Today we have taken a problem from JEE 2023 which is a bit tougher compared to earlier one, but it on an easier side only. Okay, so let us look at it. The question is something like this: two train A and B of length small l and 4 small l are traveling into a tunnel of length capital L in parallel tracks from opposite directions with velocities 108 km per hour and 72 km per hour respectively. If train A takes 35 seconds less than train B to cross the tunnel, then the length of the tunnel is given L is equal to 60 L, right? Small capital L is equal to small 60 L. So now let us take this as the tunnel. Okay, so there's a tunnel here and this tunnel goes like this. This is a tunnel, I'll say. Okay, and over this tunnel there is a, in the sense, a train which is going in, right? And one is going in this direction. Its length is, say, first one I'll say L a bit. Okay, on this direction let us say there is a L which is moving in smaller direction, right? So let us have this as L here, right? And this is 4L, two trains moving in the opposite direction, right? So the one which is moving in this direction is moving at 108 kmph, kilometer per hour, and here this one is moving at 72 kilometer per hour, right? So now the distance this particular train has to move, say the first one is A with the length small l, so this is A and this is B. The length to pass the tunnel, this particular train has to move L, then it has to move capital L which is equal to 60 small l, then it has to come out, right? The total coming out is, when it comes out, totally like this, right? So the distance it has to move is, if you consider this, it is L, you understand this? This is capital L plus 2L for the whole thing to move out, right? So the distance A has to move is equal to capital L plus 2 times L, which is equal to 60 small l plus 2L, which is equal to 62L. Whereas B has to move first 4L, then capital L, then another 4L. So it is L plus 4L into 2, that is equal to 8L, right? So let us have this as 8L, which is equal to 68L, right? Now another point which is important is velocity. Velocity of A is given as 108. So velocity of A is equal to 108 kmph. So when we convert this into meters per second, why should we convert into meters per second? Because here seconds is given, not in hour. Hour will be a bit complicated to do. It's always better we convert it into meters per second. So 108 into kilometer, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, divided by 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So this comes out to be 30 meters per second. Similarly, if you consider VB, this comes out to be 72 into 1000 divided by 3600. This comes out to be 20 meters per second. So these are the velocities of the trains, right? Now, what is given? Time that A takes is 35 seconds less than what the B takes. That means TA is TB minus 35 seconds. Okay, so TB is more, TA is less. All right. So what is time? Time is distance by velocity. So TA is SA by velocity VA is equal to, this is SB by velocity VB minus 35. This is the equation. So we need to solve this equation. So we will have this. What is SA? SA is, I am substituting into this equation, students, into this equation. SA is 62 small l divided by VA, which is equal to 30 meters per second. Don't substitute in kilometer per hour, you will go wrong. Is equal to SB is equal to SB is 68L divided by, say, 20 kilometer per hour, and then minus 35. Now we need to solve for L. When we solve for L here, what I got is, I will not do the basic algebra. I think you can do the algebra easily. So what I get is small l, we get it as 30 meters. So if small l is 30 meter, capital L is equal to 60 small l, which is equal to 60 into 30, which is equal to 1800 meters. So capital L is 1800 meters. C is the right answer. Students, these kind of problems also comes later on when you go for MBA, CAT exams. This kind of questions are asked a lot of times, bank exams and all those things. So any competitive exam, this is a common question even when you get a job. So whatever you study in your 11th and 12th will be useful later on also. So I want you to concentrate this and not forget this anytime, right? So remember this and don't forget it, okay? So all the best, students. Happy learning. Thank you.